In this video, you'll learn how to create a sub-account in Binance. This process allows you to manage multiple trading accounts under one main account, which can be beneficial for various purposes, such as business management or strategy testing. Understanding this feature is crucial before proceeding with the creation of a sub-account. To start, log into your Binance account. Once you are on the main dashboard, locate your profile icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Account Settings. This will direct you to a new page where you can manage your account preferences. Next, look for the sub-account management section within the account settings. If this option is not visible, it may indicate that your current account type does not support the creation of sub-accounts. If you see it, click on Sub-Account Management, and you will be directed to a screen where you can create a new sub-account. Here you will find the option labeled Create Sub-Account. Click on this button to proceed. After clicking Create Sub-Account, you will be prompted to choose the type of sub-account you want to create, such as a virtual sub-account or a managed sub-account. Carefully fill in the required details, including the email address associated with the sub-account and the permissions you wish to assign. It is essential to double-check these permissions to ensure they align with your intended use before confirming the creation of the sub-account. Once the sub-account is created, you will need to fund it to begin trading, navigate to the wallet section on your dashboard. From here, select the transfer option. You will need to choose main account as the source and sub-account as the destination for the transfer. Allocate only the necessary amount to manage your trading strategy effectively and mitigate risk. Additionally, if you plan to use automation tools, consider setting API permissions for the sub-account at this stage. Finally, monitor the performance of your sub-account regularly by checking the dashboard. Keeping your funds organized and ensuring that different strategies do not overlap will help you maintain clearer records and better manage your investments. It is advisable to track the performance of each sub-account independently to ensure that they are functioning as intended. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.